Welcome to your channel. Let's revise with Prathamesh. Today we will solve some interesting puzzles. So let's start. First, crossword puzzle. Solve this crossword puzzle of 4-letter words. So this crossword puzzle have only 4 letters. First, down. Down means this vertical, 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 vertical and vertical. Okay? Now, across. Across means this horizontal, 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 etc. Okay? Now, first, where we keep money safe? Guess, where can we keep money safe? Correct. We can keep money safe in a bank. 2. Be fond of. What do we have to be fond of? Correct. Like. 3. With little or no light. Which thing has little or no light? Correct. Dark. 4. We cut this on birthdays. What do we cut on birthdays? Correct. Cake. 6. A hard metal. Which is a hard metal? Correct. Iron. Now across. First, ding dong. What makes ding dong sound? Correct. Bell. 3. A South Indian pancake. What is a South Indian pancake? Correct. Dosa. 5. A flying toy. What is a flying toy? Correct. Kite. So, do you have fun cracking this crossword puzzle? Next puzzle. Complete the conversation between 2 planets, Mars and Saturn. First, Saturn says, "Hello, I am Saturn. I am the dash planet from the Sun." What Saturn planet is from the Sun? In which number Saturn comes after the Sun? Correct. I am the 6th planet from the Sun. I am a gas giant. Saturn is a which giant? Correct. I am a gas giant. I am dash than you. What is dash than Mars? Correct. I am bigger than you. I belong to the group of dash planets. Saturn belongs to the group of which planet? Correct. I belong to the group of outer planets. Now, Mars says, "Hi, I am Mars. I am the dash planet from the Sun." Mars is after the which planet from the Sun? Correct. I am the 4th planet from the Sun. I am a dash planet. Correct. I am a red planet. I am dash than you. What is dash than Saturn? Correct. I am smaller than you. I belong to the group of dash planets. Mars belongs to the group of which planets? Correct. I belong to the group of inner planets. So, friends, do you have fun cracking the conversation between the Mars and Saturn? Now, we have to complete this math crossword puzzle. It looks like a bit complicated, but actually it's very easy if you try to do it. Down means this vertical, okay? And across means this horizontal, okay? Now let's start. First, down. B. 42. Where can 42 be written? It's B. So we have to find B. There's B. So I can write the 42. So I can write the 42 here. Now D. 407. Where's D? There's D. So I can write 407 here. E. 845. Where's E? Where's E? There's E. So I can write 845 here. Now F. 59. Where's F? There's F. So I can write 59 here. Now H. 910. Where can we find H? Here it is. So I can write the 910 here. Now K. 65. Where's K? There's K. So I can write 65 here. Now L. 118. Where's L? Here it is. So I can write 118 here. Now M. 836. Where's M? Where's M? Where's M? Here is M. So I can write the 836 here. Now P. 991. Where can I find P? There it is. So I can write the 991 here. Now we will do the cross puzzle. A. 254. Where is A? Where is A? Where can I find A? Yes, there is A. So I can write the 254 here. Now C. 374. Where's C? Where's C? Here it is. So I can write the 374 here. Now G. 629. Where's G? Where's G? Here it is. Here it is. So I can write the 629 here. I. 409. Where's I? Where's I? Here it is. So I can write the 409 here. J. 795. Where's J? Where's J? Here it is. So I can write the 795 here. Now K. 660. Where's K? Where's K? Here it is. So I can write the 660 here. Now M. 800. Where's M? Where's M? Here it is. So I can write the 800 here. N. 75. Where's N? Where's N? Here it is. So I can write the 75 here. O. 159. Where's 159? Where's O? Where's O? Here it is. So I can write the 159 here. Now Q. 778. Where's Q? Where's Q? Here it is. So I can write the 778 here. Now last is R. That is 956. Where's R? Where's R? Here it is. So I can write the 956 here. So friends, do you have fun cracking these riddles? Write in the comment box below. Fun time! So today's riddle is, what kind of room has no doors or windows? Write the answer in the comment box below. So the riddle of the previous video's answer is R. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. Bye bye.